I will do some production transactions, but before that I will start with resource master, which will be from administration, setup, and then resource. Inside the resources, I'm going to create some resources. So let's say I'm creating a resource as my machine. Let's say I have my labeling machine. So resource type is machine, and resource unit of measurement I will go with the per hour. Here I'm selecting my template as a user defined name. The standard cost should be like, let's say, electricity cost per hour. Another template I might set as a maintenance cost per hour. And also I'm putting as manpower, or I will create a manpower for separate this one. Resources cost 3. I'll keep with that. Another resources group I'm making as a labeling manpower. So this is a kind of labor, and let's say I'm putting an hour. So labor cost per hour. So we have designed a template, and then we have set up a resource group. Now we are going to create a resource master. So to create a resource master, we are going to go to the root menu and the resources and the resource master. Let's say we are creating here labeling machine, and this is our machine and resource group. Let me select as a labeling machine. So you can see that the standard cost in the template group, whatever we have defined, it is appearing up here. And now here in this one, I can have the issue method as a backflush or the manual. So what does it mean by the backflush is like, if you keep a backflush at the time of production receipt, without issuing the material, it will issue all the materials in the background by itself, and so you will not have a choice to issue manually. So for meantime, I wanted to keep it as a manual, and then I will select this one as 1 hour cost. For this one, it is £2, and then I will add this resource. Another resource I wanted to create, labor labeling machine manpower. Same, I will just create it, and then this time this will be a labor, and this is my labeling machine per hour, and let's say I am putting as a 10 per hour, and then the issue method is manual. So we have created the resources, and then now we are going to create one of the production order, bill of material. So create a bill of material. Now I wanted to select one of the, let's say, one of the product I wanted to select. Let me select any one. So for this one item, for the item I wanted to put as laptop. Let's say this is the item, I wanted to select it, and for the resources I'm selecting, and this is in the bill of material. Let's say we want to create for 100, and for the 100 this quantity will be, for this item 100 is required. And the resources, we are selecting the leveling machine and the leveling machine manpower. So we can and it will take 1 hour to complete this process. So we are done, and then we are creating we are just adding this bill of material. So bill of material is completed. Now we'll start with the production order in next session. Thanks.